Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. Year 2018, year 2018, uh, me and Alex Jr. ko talk on mind. Alex Jr. ko is brown skin color. Alex Jr. ko knows about it. And then me as well, I just remember it this year 2025. Why myself remembers only this year 2025? Because they getting my memory. Those person that uses black magic, those person that tends to kills me. On the right eye, right forehead, and right ear. They uses black magic that they not want to be dead. Next, while I talk, the kabit number 2 is talking. The kabit number 2 on this year 2025 is tends to edit of what is the intensity 1 to 10, 10 of killing on myself, on my mind, on my memory. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. I'll talk now on year 2018. So, me and Alex Jr. ko is talking of such as kailan ba tayo magkikita para magkaroon man tayo ng date para masaya. That is what Alex Jr. ko says year 2018. Alex Jr. ko say, in English translation, when will you and me will be together so that we could have date, so that we could be happy. That is what Alex Jr. ko says on myself. And then what I response to Alex Jr. ko is Tagalog. Ikaw, kailan ka ba magpapakita? Puro na lang ganito. Sabi ko. In English, you, when will you be cite me person to person? You only on black magic. Alex Jr. ko is the person that I talk on to. Alex Antiamentisa Jr. ko, brown skin color. At this moment that I talk, year 2025, they tends to have a strategy to put me on killing those person here at New Lower Bikutan. Now, next is uh, my memory during year 2018, they tends to get it. I already say that on during year 2018, my experience during inside of my bedroom, the girl gender that looks on my panaginip says, "Hala mama, magkikita sila." So that is the meaning of they tends to look on my panaginip, on my memory. That word, the Tagalog of what I say in English word, oh my mother, they will cite each other. That is pertains to myself and Alex Jr. ko. That is, the interrogation knows about it. What else? I need to say about Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye because that person is killing me. And yet, this is what myself leads on to at. Now, next is uh, Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye is as well looking on that moment. The mind of myself is blurry, such as this one. Such as this one. And then, on that black magic, myself is being put on blurry eye, shadow eye. My right eye. Another on my right eye vibes, those person that interferes is gold digger. Literal, mukha silang pera. They want to interfere because of money, business about, and then backer of kabit. Because of they is backer of kabit, they wants to put the kabit on a situation of from bad person, being a bad person, to such as good person, even though bad person. The meaning of it, they is backer of kabit, of which is on this situation of mine, they tends to kill me, and then they tends to get of what is mine, while the bad person is on high level. The meaning of it is such as they tends to put on a situation of goodness the bad person, even though bad person that is. So that is what they're doing. Goodness person is me. What they're doing is killing. I suddenly remember when I talk about it. The next is Alex Jr. ko, and then Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye is talking. I could not say Tito at this moment because myself is being killed. There is no the word discipline or respect onto that because myself is being killed on the use of black magic. My situation is seriousness. They is killing me. Bobo ang hindi marunong umunawa. Bobo. Here on my situation, criminal is camouflage. Next, uh, when I say bobo, this year 2025. I will talk now on year 2018 about. The next is uh, Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye says on my mind, saying, ikakasal ka? Bakit? Tingnan mo nga, manalamin ka nga. Something such that. My God. And yet my God, not want to think about it. Am I being understood? I am pretty. In English translation, you will get married. You will have a wedding. Why? Uh, you look on mirror. Sabi niya. He say, I am not drama. They is on dramatic. Love life of myself is person to person. And then, this year 2025, they tends to put the vibes of them to myself. The vibes of, what you call that, heaviness. I am not heaviness because I am 29-year-old. What else? Year 2018. Alex Junior ko, is calm during that moment, and then is calm during that moment, and then been hurt, hurt. I will just eat the moment. I not want, this year 2025, I not want this location. They tends to get of what is mine. And then they will kills me, of which is very wrong. Lover ko, Alex ko. what else? At the moment, the bad person is talking on my left ear. If I say my personality, attitude, vibes, they is so uh, behave. My situation in 2025, they is behave, and then I could feel that they is getting my feeling, and then I not know why. After that feeling, myself is being slapped the ear. This year 2025. On the use of black magic, they getting my feeling. Excuse me, year 2018 of myself, brownish color Alex ko. I want to eat at the moment I feel starved and not eat during evening. Yun lang akin. What else? During that moment of year 2018, me and Alex Jr. ko feels hurt. And then what Alex Jr. ko did, tayong dalawa na lang po ni, sabi niya. Oh, no, I feel hurt as well. The definition on myself at the moment about wedding. Oh, that is what as well I like because of look at it, I am pure. And then what they're doing, they talk on my ear and then slapping my ear. That is how they is criminal. I not slap usually my ear and then they tends to enjoy of talking on my ear so that I could slap my ear. That is how they is pervert. That is what Alex Junior says on my mind in English translation. You and me, ano niya, you and me instead of Connie, tayong dalawa na lang Connie. Me, you and me instead to be Connie. Sabi niya, that pertains to wedding. And then on myself, kailan? Yung 2018 Doris. Marvel, let's go. That is why I have such this. The situation of myself is truthfulness, there is harassment. That is why I need a lawyer because harassment talaga. Seryosong seryoso, harassment. Daw nagbibiro. Bastos. In here, I have a panaginip of such this. The only person, I feel cry. Ano? This one, me and then Alex Jr. ko, and then this is the visitor during that moment. Happy is me in here in this situation. Nakakadiri yung mga taong bastos. And then they tends to talking of such as tawag in here, bad person will tends to be a good person, and then social, I not want you. That is not burden on my life. Disaster is what you is. Doon ako kay Alex ko, lover Alex ko. I will proceed now on talking on year 2018. So when Alex Jr. could say that on my mind, what happens on my chest is being on ache. When I say I not want you, those person this year 2025 that interferes. And then what Alex Jr. ko says, hintayin mo ko, sabi niya. And then I have a panaginip such this. And then on Quiapo Church, no visitor on Quiapo Church. Bastos talaga. I already say for what count already. Those person that talks on my ear is bastos, pervert. They tends to ruin my wedding. Seriousness! Ano ba? Gising! That is why I wish the person be dead. That person that talks on my ear is this person, oh. I am not sure, I am not saying of my, the content of other my panaginip. This person, oh, that person is being slashed the head. That is a good happening because of being bastos pervert looking on mine. I not want bobo ko ma-flash and then they is clingy. Marian Rivera is talking on my ear afraid to be such as higher than her. I not know why. And then it leads to Lazada. That is why I not like that person. Buti na lang daw fanatic nun. Kakaloka. When I say gising, that is Tagalog word. In English word, awake. What else? During year 2018, what it is? Isa lang inibig ko. My lover is Alex Jr. ko. Ew, I am ko niyan. May service on pony. I should leave it as this. Nakakadiri. Ayan na, their word. Ano ginawa mo to sa... Saan? Oh, somehow, she knows of what is happening. That there is a person that tends to kills me inside of the house. They is aware. Bobo camouflage. Criminal kabit. Kabit number 2, kabit number 1. Then Richel Ang. And then a while ago, it hurts me. Nakakadiri. They is bullying me. I wish they be dead. What else? What else it is? On that moment, I need to say of the 7 year of black magic, 8 year of black magic because I truthfulness could feel that they is killing me. Kabit number 2 does not stop on getting of the feeling. Each day I am awake, she is getting feeling from me. Yan, salita na siya ng salita ng palit, nakakadiri. Kinlang Alex ko. What else it is? Pure is me. This is how they kills me. So that at least be know. Be known. Ano yun? Mananakit sila? Basta-basta? Myself is being put on dizziness. I need to talk. Girl gender here Philippines does not afraid to use black magic and then being killer. So what does it mean? Being killer of a person of such me of which is behave only on this country. Kakadiri. They is killing my pureness. What else? Year 2018. What else year 2018? Year 2018, after that moment, what happens during that moment? Alex Jr. ko brown skin color. What he means is, timik ko. And then, what happened next during that moment? I am thinking of the person on the right side. Because putting my right eye on shadow. The person on the right eye is putting my right eye onto this. So if it is I, it is such that. Now, why do I feel that there is echo sometimes and then there is no echo sometimes? That is what they're doing. On my mind, on my vision, it is such as ganyan, such this. And then myself is feels ache on chest during year 2018. Just like what I say, 365 day year 2018, I feel chest pain, heart pain, illness, I cry. I wish they be dead. What else? I wish talaga this person be dead because this person is criminal. Saka lang sasayaban sa pag yan namatay. No, there is casket on Cagayan. What else? The next. Wait lang. After the talking, minute after minute, Alex Junior ko show, talks na naman. And then saying, wait lang, the position is such this. Such this. Brownish color, Alex ko. Skin color. Such this. This is the position. And then this one is on left. Then this is on the right. The one. So that is the position during that moment year 2018. It is good that I talk about it. Nakakaloka. Nakakadiri pala mukha nyo. Grabe. Ako ay naghihirap para maganda. Tapos sisirain lang ako ng ganto? Kapal ang mukha mo, mamatay ka. At the moment, I could feel the vibes of bullying person, girl gender. Alex ko. I will eat at the moment. Napakabastos. Patungkol sa kasal ko, sinisira kasal ko. Ew. I feel hungry. I'm starved talaga. I not know who is that person on white shirt. Alex Jr. ko is brownish skin color. What is the vibes of during Alex Jr. ko? On in here, the Alex Jr. ko is high schooler. And then in here, during year 2018, mungkin to, The Voice. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! The Voice! I remember The Voice! Hmm? On the right eye, the voice is, oh. Something such that. Oh. Something such that. Voice. Oh my God! Oh! Naalala ko! Grabe! Oh, my situation year 2018. It is such as every one day, first day happening on my life. The next day, I could not remember the first day. That is my situation year 2018. It is first happens first year high school, year 2008. When I go to school first day, the next day I could not remember the first day. Ganun may situation. There is person, they tends to get it. Not you. And then, I will talk more. Timmy ko, I need to talk. I am thinking at the moment about year 2018. My year 2018 vibes. I not use phone. That is why only family relatives and then family of Alex Junior ko and then family of Alex Junior ko is talking. There is no ninang-ninong during year 2018. Myself is on a situation of sadness. I feel chest pain. Putting myself on chest pain. Ninong and ninang, year 2019. Because I hold phone. Grabe. 2019. I not hold phone year 2018 because it is nasira. Huawei phone. Huawei phone. No, I use phone. Huawei. But I not usually use I not open the Facebook. But what I am doing is playing on phone. To connect the dots. I not open Facebook because that is what I am doing your college degree. I never use Facebook. Instagram rarely to post. Busy when it comes into school days. Focus is me. What else the next happened on year 2018? The Voice. Oh, something such that. Ah, oh, ganun, boses. And then, suddenly, it is such that, if it is killer vibes, Ronald. If it is, happy, Tito. Naon you. Because truthfulness, killing. Specific is what I say, literal. I not know about it. And then what happened onto that? The white shirt person did something. And then, Tito Ronald Gonzalez Magnayos says, someone says, I say Ronald. Says, ah, ganyan pala sitwasyon mo. Ganun. In English translation, that is your situation. And then, he say, may problema ka nga talaga. Ganun. Oh my God. Huh? Ayan na, sarili ko, I need help. Nakadatumunda. Nawan you. And then, what happened? Uh, in English translation, you have a problem, truthfulness. That is the English word of it. And then, during that moment, year 2018, the vibes on my right eye is, the right eye shocks, this right eye. And then, ako niya, shadow. Shadow. This illustration, such this, hmm, right eye. I have a moment with Timiko. But it happens year 2015. My eye blurs on market. Dizziness blurs and then I am standing. Blur? The blurriness is such this. This is the iris. It is such as shadow and then ganun. Tapos biglang ganun. Yeah. Year 2015. Father of Alex Jr. ko knows it. Myself has fever during that moment. Let's see. I am with Kuya Kaloy. The blackish. Black. Shade of black. Now it is shade of green black. No. Timing ko. What else? The killing. Description of killing. Memories being target. When it comes into memory, they is such as parang ganyan, parang ganyan. Getting of what is mine, killing the rest. If it is mine, no, I feel scared. This is how I interpret it. The mind, it connects to the nerve. Goodness me, I feel scared. I am just behaving here, Philippine. But that is what I describe it. Nerve. Oh, ako ko niyan. That is my thinking process year 2021 of how to cure blind person. Vitamin, liquid. So that the nerve is alive. That is me. Ko niyan. Hmm, ko niyan. It is on the mini notebook on the rental house. I not yet with it. Rental house. My parent that I am child renting house. I put other treatment in there. I will show it if I get it. Now let's go. It is suddenly happens year 2015. I am looking in here. Now, what you could feel? Yeah. Washing water on eye. I'm not doing that anymore. Natakot siya. Should I ganon or it is my thinking process? Why? Because I care to my eye. I have no muta when I'm doing that washes my eye. It hurts in here. What else on that year 2018? Sabi nung tao, saka tayo mag-usap pag nagkita na tayo. Sabi niya, in English translation, uh, when uh, we talk when we already together. So, sabi niya, that is what is being said. Year 20, uh, is the person on the right at the moment. And, year 2014, myself is being put on scaredness about blind. In 2014, there is person the right eye. It is such as scare ba si Connie sa kapag blind, kapag bulag, something such that. And then I feel scared, feeling scared. Oh, year 2014. And then year 2015, that is happens. I am serious type of person. Enjoyment on life, adventure, such as pinagpapawisan sweetness, except uh, dancing and then singing. That is dancing, singing, happy, happy, not adventure. Adventure is walking, and then there is person, such as the word activity. There is enjoyment on myself. High school, my enjoyment is watching Running Man. They tends to, I like Running Man. That is as well includes on year 2018 or year 2021. Yes, wait. Year 2018, as well as Detective Conan year 2018. I say to Alex Jr. ko may once. And then, year 2018, enjoyment. Going to mall, enjoyment there is. Riding a car, enjoyment there is. Enjoyment. Oh, riding a car. Because of before, no car. No car. Oh, the family. Oh, I'm not saying something on the criminal about car. What else? Enjoyment on life. Online game, not enjoyment on life. Not enjoyment on life. Car, enjoyment on life. That is pampering and relaxation. Mall, pampering, relaxation, aircon. The sun heatness is intensity 1 to 10, 7. What else? Enjoyment on life. Picture, Instagram. Enjoyment there is. Enjoyment. Sassy Angels, enjoyment. Gala, basta gala. The word gala mode. Going to mall with the person, with friend or no friend. I tends to enjoy. Lover Lex ko, kinla Lex ko. So I will talk now year 2018. Killing portion. They is looking on my, let me talk. Well, I not use black magic. They use black magic. Koko niyan. What else during that moment? It is such as this one. There is person that shows him herself. And then suddenly, such this illustration. So just this one. This is on the left side and then this is on the right side. When it comes onto in here, ako lover ni Alex. When it comes onto in here, it is a jeepney of which is the person is talking. Talking on the use of black magic and then telling about the movement. When it comes on to telling about the movement, uh, what happened during that moment? Wait lang. That is year 2018. Year 2018 it is talaga. Lover ko, Alex ko. Ay, naunto ito sa moment. I am writing at the moment. At this year 2025, I am writing. Lover Alex ko. What happened? Alex only lover ko, even on my mind. Yun. About money. About money. Lotto. Yun. Oh. About Lotto, year 2018 is being says. Oh, this one. About in here. Wait, I will just think of it. Lover ko, Alex ko. Ew, maganda ko. I am pretty. What the doing of the right eye is telling me of bad situation. Even though I am good situation. Ew, not want you, bad person, bad person. Aray. They is putting it on doble cara. I am the goodness person and then they is bad person and then what they're doing bad person, they tends to uh, interfere on my life of such as I am the goodness person that they tends to interfere. It is about they tends to ruin and yet the ruin about is they want it to be on a situation of goodness even though it is badness. I will talk. About the Lotto, Richel Angjamentisa Senior says, bakit may pera ka? Ganun. In English translation, why do you have money? Something such that. Tawag mo ako, Corina? I will talk now. Oh, I'm not doing anything. It's suddenly such this, such that. What else? I feel dizzy in here at the moment. They're stopping me to talk. Oh, truthfulness is what I say. I am lover of Alex ko. Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Huwag kang magdrama sa buhay ko. You, I'm not doing anything wrong. Lover Alex ko. What else it is? Year 2018. Lotto. Richel Angjamentisa Senior shows me money on the right eye. On the right eye? So I need to say about my panaginip talaga. Of what is being sight. Then what happened to the money? Suddenly myself is being slapped. In here, left side. Shadow hand it is. Oh, year 2021, the shadow hand. The shadow, it is moving on my hand. Suddenly moves. Weird nila. Akin lang Alex ko, brown skin color. What else? the moment myself is being targets of the right eye. What it is the right eye says. The voice is Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye, and then on the right eye is tends to harm Alex Jr. ko. I not know why. Nakakadiri yung boses on the left ear. Such as ate older sister na won't think about it. Focus is me. Why such that they is? At yung malit ka Gonzalez in the right eye. Catholic is me, pure is me. It is such as they is. Ganun no. Ganun they is. Ay, hindi ka gusto. I wish talaga bad person be dead. Hindi ka gusto kahalubilo. Akin lang Alex ko. What else? Year 2018. Myself year 2018, I am a bride. And then yet what they're doing is killing me. Yeah. Hindi ka kasali sa kasal ko. Alex ko. Year 2018. What else it is? I am on Rachel Angel Mentisa Sr. talking about in here. Because she slaps me. Richelle Angel Sr. is putting me scaredness at this moment, killing myself. She wears violet cloth during year 2018. Myself is being in here, oh. They is killing me. Doble cara she is, year 2018. Yuck, Alex lover ko. Ew. My bedroom is bedroom. The criminal is doing something on top of the bed. Of what I bought shirt to Alex Jr. ko, it tends to cite the panaginip. Brown skin colors Alex ko. Ay, not yet done talking about in here, panaginip. What else yung 2018? Ano pa ba yun? Oh my God, the sequence of my talking. Bastos talaga yung kabit. They is pervert. 29-year-old is me, 30-year-old is Alex ko. Gold digger, gold digger. Pervertness. The description is slapping Alex Jr. ko. Oh, yun na yun. Putting myself on shame. They is now on this situation. Eh, ayaw ko nga. Ayaw pitik-pitik. Year 2025. They is in here already. I not like it. Nandidiri ako. I feel traumatized. The right eye is enjoying it. Oh, it is stop. What else it is? Hmm, I could feel now my head, the intensity. When it is head is such this, intensity it is. Oh yeah, even my face, the happy face. Taklatak. Kinalex ka. They is killing me. The truthfulness. Myself is slim body high school to college. And then I just get fat year 2018. Milk tea. I will talk. Richel Angiomentisa Sr. is talking to a specific person on her left side. On my mind, on in here. Babae, girl gender. What else? Amoy mall. Mall? Amoy mall. What else? Mall? I sleep with it. I use it as a blanket. That is why something weird. That is not weird. Basta I use it. Alex Jr. ko wears this sa panaginip. Hmm, yes. On my panaginip, the smell of his car. Inside of car. What else could they say? I am pretty. Hmm. Killing portion na ako. Timik to. Oh. They is putting myself on dramatic about Jose Rizal. Year 2022. They say, you should be such this because it is about to say something such that. Wherein the mother of Jose Rizal is blind, such that. They is putting me on in that situation. I not want drama. That is as well a reason of why I not want drama. I not want drama. Personal is what they're doing on my self-killing. Year 2022, the rest to year 2023. Year 2022, year 2023. They is putting me on dramatic. I am not drama. Diyos ko. Year 2021, Alex Junior quiz pertains to Jose Rizal. The face, weird. I like the smell of it. No. Smell of bench. Ay ko. Nothing I could say on year 2018. It is suddenly I remember. I not know what is about Lotto. Lotto as in sweepstake. That is the meaning of Lotto. Tagalog word and English word sweepstake. They say year 28 during year 2018 it is as well such that in America. No wonder they say. It say of Lola Elsa na ano. Oh? Oh, another information about year 2018. And then Lola Elsa talks on my right forehead. Right forehead or right eye. I myself is uh, reading about CNN News. Lola Elsa says, "Sino sabi nun?" Sabi niya. In English translation, who say that? About Lotto? Sabi niya. But she say that during year 2018 there is, not year 2021. Year 2021, happy happy. Weird. Oh, year 2021, happy happy about of what is will happen. Ayun nga. Timing ko. Ay, Diyos ko. Never collects ko. The road is... Hmm, wait. Someone is raises the eyebrow of myself. I not raise my eyebrow. The location of it when it is about CNN is FTI Service Road. C5 Service Road. At the moment, the kabit is copying me. Aray. That is not aray. That is not ouchness. I am not sleepy at the moment. What else year 2018? What else year 2018? I am already on August year 2019. Talking. So I just remember the year 2018. What is the other killing? The other killing, they tends to, oh, I noticed that year 2025 here at New Lower Bikutan, they tends to copy my voice. I not know why. I not want in here. Myself is saying Catholic is me. And then this one, oh, I put it on my bed. Cross. There is person that talks in here. Akin lang, akin. I already say about year 2017 or year 2018 about the Facebook. Ano ka? May socialization to Ate Michelle. Happy happy. Such as bonding. But it is color black. Black and then no tattoo. I not know why there is tattoo. I not know. I feel dizzy. Tattoo. I already say about sin. It's a sin to be Gementisa, but I am not the person who say that. I not say that. I not hurting Alex ko. Year 2019, I feel chest ache during that moment. I should laugh. I'm not the person who say that. Seriousness. What is me on Gementisa is Gementisa, Alex and Gementisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First. Brownish color, skin color of Alex Jr. ko. Year 2008 to year 2. Alex Jr. ko, brownish color, year 2012. Lover Alex ko. Lover Alex ko. I already say about college degree. What else could I say? Yung it's a sin of Gementisa. I'm not that person. Myself to Alex Jr. ko is when he will go towards me so that we could talk so that me and him could talk. Shyness. I feel shy as well. But I am on a situation of killing. I need to talk. What else? The 4 minute video of myself, it is suddenly could not sight on my gallery. I am illustrating of what is being happens year 20, excuse me, year 2021. The kabit is talking on my right ear. I'm not pervert. During year 2018, there is no kabit, no interfere, but there is something weird. The right eye, right forehead. I will talk. What else? Sometimes I will talk, sometimes I will behave. Hmm, I will read books. Kaya nga. Himik ko. Mm. Fantasy book is what will I read? And what else could I say? I am about to say of my ProbCon already. Myself is being inter up during that moment. So I will, there is no, not yet during August about my studies. I will end my camera video already. 1 hour and 22 minutes and 10 seconds. I feel smiley. Smiley. Myself is smiley because of I could not hear noise on my ear, but there is a person that talks. I not know how is that. Here we go. I read books, college degree, take, such this take, or such this book. Hmm? Bulak? None. Walang bulak dito, mama. I will end my camera video now. What will I about to do is now I will tends to camera video or right. I am on this portion now. This one. I want at the moment to write, so I will not talk at the moment. But it is good that it is been returned. Oh, my eye when it when I scrub it, it has dot color blue dot, and then letter E. I not know what it is. And now is black magic. In here as well, in here dot but no letter E. And then my eye vision is farsighted. Farsighted. It is such as on in here. It is ache at the moment. And then what else? I start to cite the letter E drawing. Letter is year 2023. Year 2023. No, year 2023 there is. And then it say the right eye says uh, it will remove if it is already okay the situation such that. is being said. I should only need to talk. Oh, that is why I need to talk. What else? Hmm. When it comes in here, when it comes in here, I never wear contact lens on my entire life. And then, the color blue. There is intrigue in there on bench. Oh, it is returning on myself. The color blue. The blue is returning on myself. I not know about it. I not think of it. I am behave. Not wonder. Not bother. I not want black magic. I feel scared. Me too. But mine is mine. That is the word. If myself saying, not thinking, not bother, ganun. Myself will say, mine is mine. Hindi. Dahil lang Alex ko. I will end my camera video now. Is there anything about I? I could sight if I close my eye. I could sight shadow. Shadow of such as dancing. Akin Alex ko. Something such this. And then it is something such this. It is color red and then shadow color red. It hurts me. Traumatizes me. I feel traumatized. Why? Because that is not such that myself eh. The kabit, truthfulness, that person is the uh, first mover when it comes into hurting me. I not know that kabit. Suddenly she pops up. There is bad person. I not want to use the word first mover. I am the first lover of Alex ko. Assumer she is. Akin lang Alex ko. First mover. Not the word first mover. She is the person that tends to move. Mover. When it comes onto lover legs ko. When it comes onto interfere on my life. Kabit number 2, even kabit number 1. That is why I need to say 7-year black magic so that myself be understood. Oh, I will end my camera video. I am Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnay, Geometisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnay, Quezon the Face.